It's all around us, and we use it every day, even if we don't know it. The cloud is everywhere. When it comes to security, cloud computing is changing how you can manage your business. Introducing MaxPro Cloud from Honeywell. Anytime, anywhere. MaxPro Cloud gives you sophisticated video management without the hefty price tag. Imagine you're on a business trip and you want to check in on your store. With MaxPro Cloud, you can see stored video events, even live video from any location right on your phone, wherever there's an internet connection. And if you have several locations, you can see all of them on one interface, one screen, one login. With MaxPro Cloud, you don't have to be an IT genius. Just connect to the website and you're good to go. And since it uses innovative cloud technology, the costs are down to earth. There's no software to install or IT issues to manage, saving you time and money. MaxPro Cloud provides flexible storage options for your video, so it will be there when you need it most. In an alarm event, MaxPro Cloud will send you an email notification immediately, and it reduces your risk of lost video by monitoring the system's health. If there's a problem, notification is sent so you can react quickly. Once you use MaxPro Cloud, it's the last video system you'll ever need. Why? With flexible storage, expandable cameras, and automatic upgrades, your system grows with you. Still using analog? Not a problem. MaxPro Cloud protects that investment and offers an affordable way to upgrade to IP when you're ready. So if you want to, keep your head in the clouds. MaxPro Cloud will make sure that the video from your business gets to you anytime, anywhere.